But before I install that steering wheel from Grassroots, I want to install this replica of this bucket seat. It's hot sun, I'll wait till nighttime. So yeah, I can't do confirm. Okay, now I got the G35 bracket on this seat. I just gotta remove the passenger stock seat. I got the 14mm bolts off, all 4 of them. Now I just gotta unplug the harnesses. Oh crap, my finger. That's 1. That's 2. And the seatbelt harness on the far side here. There you go. Okay. So that's the seatbelt wire. Before I pull it out, I keep forgetting to do this last one here. See what kind of rubbish I have. Street poles. Oh, this goes way back May 11, 2018. Oh yeah, that's right. Mike Tenga's car was on it. The Green Z of Hawaii. The VQ Inc. That's why. Okay, time to take off the seatbelt bracket and transfer it to the aftermarket planted seat. Damn, look at all that coffee stains. Nasty. Alright, seatbelt's connected. All 14 bolts are mounted tight. Now I can get started with the steering wheel. Unplug the battery. My Walmart battery, that is. Take off these panels. Left and right side, right there. Next is the main harness. There you go. Easy peasy. It's nice and cool in the dark. Get your resistors. Your airbag resistors. So the next day, I had to wait till the sun. It was too dark to work. And then just do this just like any other normal aftermarket steering. So let me try stuff these in. Along with the resistor. As for the outer connector, touches the hub of the adapter, makes contact. From what I know of, from all these YouTube videos. So stuff it in. So, car battery is connected again. Still got only 2 hardware bolts attached to it. Here we go. Hey, okay, let's test drive this steering wheel. So that's the Grassroots Performance S-Competition Steering Wheel. Thank you, Grassroots. See you guys later. Bye, viewers.